Narrative research. It involves in-depth interview and document analysis. Typically, one or two participants are interviewed over a long period of time, from weeks to months to years. This creates a conclusive, individualized story that offers clear themes and insight into how personal goals influence customers. Now, how we can use this research? Narrative research is particularly helpful when creating buyer personas and a customer journey map, since you are following the customer experience from start to finish. You can use this information to resolve pain points and optimize interaction for customer delight.